Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to report a problem in the game Bunker Wars. You have to start by pressing 3 lines at the top. Now go to Settings and then to Support and More. And right here click on Report a Problem. It opens a schablon. It said that what configuration you have, what ID you have. So just scroll down and right here on a line I want to report, just write what problem you have. Then click at the top right to send the problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!